Create this amazing food poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Select the 1000 pixels into 1000 pixels. First, select the background color. Now take a text and write "Special." Change the font to Anton. Change the text color. All the color codes will be given in the comment box. Duplicate the text. Write food or food name. Change the text color. Again, duplicate the text and write something fresh. Change the text color to white. Now add a shape from the elements. Change the color to red. Corner round will be 3. Change the position to forward. Now go to Elements and search for the food plate. Select this and remove the background. Search for the tomato. Select this. Duplicate this. Search for the coriander leaf. Add this. Duplicate this. Again, duplicate this. Now search for the red chili. Select this. Duplicate this. Now input the text. Change the color and font to Avalon Alt. Again, input the text and write the food details. Change the position to backward. Change the color to the same as the special text color. Duplicate the text and write the order and delivery info. Now add the shadows to all the elements. Now duplicate this text. Here will be your company name and logo. Decreasing the line space. Go to Elements and search for the brush. Select this. Change the color to red. Duplicate this text and change the color to white, and also write the starting pricing or offer. Super congratulations! You have successfully done. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.